Welcome to the introduction to skid steer safety. This module will cover OSHA general duties clauses and the focus on parking lot operation hazards. A skid steer is a compact, rigid frame loader that uses hydraulic lift arms and interchangeable attachments. Pre-operation inspections. Check tires and tracks, inspect hydraulic, safety devices, and seat belts. Verify that the lights, horns, and backup alarms are all working. Parking lot hazards. These have tight spaces, curbs and drains, pedestrians and traffic, and slippery surfaces. When you're operating on asphalt, avoid spinning tires, prevent surface damage, and watch for cracks and sunken areas. Visibility and blind spots. Use mirrors and backup alarms. Have a spotter if needed. Keep attachment low while driving. Be aware of pedestrians. Never assume people will see you. Use signals or horns. Stay alert. Around parked cars and walkways. Cold weather and snow. Slow down on icy surfaces. Watch for black ice. Use chains or turf tires when needed. Attachments in use. Match attachments to the task. Secure and inspect the connections and know your hydraulic controls. Snowplow and broom use. Lower plows slowly. Avoid catching curbs and sweep in a controlled pattern. Salt spreader tips. Load safely, prevent oversalting, and maintain balance. When entering and exiting the machine, use 3 points of contact, face the machine, and never jump off, as the ground may be slippery. Starting and shutting down. Lower the attachments to the ground, set the brake, and turn off the engine before exiting. Operating near traffic. Use cones and barricades. Wear high-vis clothing. Follow lot-specific traffic flow and the engineering map. When loading and unloading, use the ramps properly, level surfaces only, and secure machine during transport. Communication and spotters. Use radio or hand signals. Establish eye contact and follow directions of the traffic control. Refueling and maintenance. Shut off the engine. Let it cool before refueling and check the fluids daily. Some common violations are operating the machine without a seatbelt, speeding in the lots, improper attachment use, and not giving the machine sufficient space to stop when coming upon a hazard. Emergency procedures. Know how to stop immediately, shut down and report hazards, and use the fire extinguisher if necessary. In summary, inspect, operate carefully, use PPE, communicate clearly, and follow safety procedures.